Anna. So today I made this removable frontal quick weave unit. You guys, like, it's bomb. I made it in 30 minutes. It came out so good. This hair quality is bomb. The curls are bomb. The lighting is bomb. I look bomb. Everything is just bomb. So let's just go ahead and get into this hair company. So thank you guys over at Beauty Forever for sending me over these bundles. I don't know what length this is. It's either 28 inches or all 30 inches. I don't remember. But this is what came in the packaging. Nothing special, you guys. Simple packaging. But I would say, you guys, these bundles are bomb. I made this wig unit when I was back in the old house, right before I was going to move, and that's going on 2 months. So I made this wig like 2 months ago, almost 2 months ago. But the bundles are bomb, you guys. I love the quality of the bundles. So here I am getting ready to make my wig unit. Just tying the hair up, flipping it over so that I can go ahead and put the bonding glue on the frontal. And I'm just gonna put the glue on, you know, what is this part called of the lace frontal? I don't know. But you guys see it, because I'm going to show you where I'm putting the glue at. And then all I'm going to do is basically flip it over and make sure that it's like intact to the wig. And I am using a dome cap wig, which is what I use for all of my wig units, you guys. Even when I'm like sewing machine method or when I'm hand stitching as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, that's it. I'm just like, what else do I say? Yeah, here I am flipping it over, and it took me a while to make sure that I am actually getting it really sticky. You guys, you might want to let the glue sit for a minute so that it can get tacky, so it won't be doing all that slipping and sliding once you go to pull it back and attach it to your dome cap. So that's pretty much all. I did do another video showing you guys how I did the closure, but I wanted to come and show you guys how I did the frontal. It is actually very self-explanatory, you guys. Like, this method, I love this method because it's something for girls who just don't know how to do wigs, like hand stitch wigs or even the sewing method. So I think that this is a really good alternative, you guys, and you can get these wigs done and made in 30 minutes because that's how long it took me. And I ended up using 2 bundles, I want to say 2 bundles when I finished it in 30 minutes. And then I went back in probably like 2 weeks ago or a week ago and put in another bundle. So at the end where you guys see that I'm styling my hair, that is 3 bundles, but I did have a whole bundle, which is the 4th bundle, left over. So I just want to let you guys know that. But this is pretty self-explanatory, you guys. All you're doing is laying your glue down, getting it tacky a little bit, laying your tracks, cutting it at the end. I did it different ways throughout this video or whatever, but I just want to show you guys how I did it. It's super easy, super quick. I definitely recommend it to everyone if they need a wig made really quickly to do this method, because it is very, very, like, it's so easy, you guys, and it's so simple. Like, you can't mess up on this. The only way I feel like you guys could mess up is if the wig cap comes out too big, the wig comes out too big. But I definitely suggest you guys putting the cap on your head and putting the wig, making the wig that way so that you know that the wig is going to fit. So if you guys do want to do that, you basically just put a shower cap on your head, put the dome cap on top of it, and make the wig that way so that you know that it will really fit your head. But this came out perfect for me. It was a little bit too big, but it wasn't too much. Like, I could just put a comb in the inside and it'll lay flat. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have. I'm just going to show you guys me finishing up the top, and I'll be coming back to talk to you guys about the frontal because I do have some things that I want to say about that. we are going to go ahead and start off. This is like a whole week later, by the way. I'm going to go ahead and curl my hair. You guys have been asking me what kind of wand curler I've been using, and I am going to link it down below. I bought this with my own money from off of Amazon. It comes with tons of different like wand sizes, so you can get different types of curls. And I think this guy, I think this would definitely be useful to you guys to buy this, because it's bomb and it's like affordable. I think it may have been like, I don't know, it might have been $70. I don't know how much this was, y'all, but anyways, this is what I'm going to use. It goes up to 450 degrees, and this is the size I'm going to be using the foam. Whoops. So make sure I flatten out the top of my wig. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and curl my hair, you guys. I just want to get some soft curls, long soft curls. Also testing this hair because it is bone straight, so I wanted to make sure that I show you guys the curling and how it holds a curl. And I would say that this hair does hold a curl because I had previously curled it. As you could see on the other side, I had previously put a little curl to it when I first put it on. This is like days later after I just curled this, and it has a wave still, so it does hold a curl, you guys. And yeah, that's all I really have to show you guys, you know, and I'll see you guys in the video. The look came out really bomb. I love this type of like long voluminous hair, you guys, and I love using the beautyytb spray to hold my curls a little bit because I love full hair, and I hate when I'm like, hair is very full when I'm in the house, and then when I leave to go out for the day, there's no curls. So thanks to the beautyytb blasting spray for helping me out and getting me this bomb voluminous fluffy look. I just love it. It's so cute, and I look really pretty, and I really think it's because I'm using the ring light and the natural light at the same time, you guys. Like, I just feel like I look really good. But anyways, thank you guys so much for continuing to watch and love and watching me. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media at _Raviana Simone and Raviana on Snapchat. And I'll see you guys in my next video.